My father has been a strong advocate of Mint. For so many years, he's been pushing me to enroll for these courses, and this lockdown has been a boon in disguise. Credits to his enthusiasm, I was the first person to enroll for the PPW workshop, and I'm so glad I did. Each of these sessions have been a true eye-opener for me. I had so many misconceptions about God, religion, life, and Danny, a brilliant orator, he's done a tremendous job at explaining such complex concepts so simply to us laymen. From understanding the definition of leader to actually playing the part in these 8 sessions, I have come a really long way. I now feel empowered to make this world a better place because I am here. And not just that, I've got to know so many people so deeply and so quickly, and I'm looking forward to meet them all in person.
I did Built Attitudinal Workshop 24 years ago. With passage of time, memory starts fading. I wanted to relearn things. I did PPW now, and today I am better informed, more confident, and I am sure that I will be able to relate much better with people than before. With my new learning, I want to see how I can change things around, even increase my social objectives. There is so much hunger and lack of homes, lack of confidence in people, and negativity in a whole country now. I want to see that I do something about it much better than before. I intend to increase my expenses budget and even ask other Miltonian friends and other friends to raise more funds and do as much as we can.
I'm Sunil Kumar. I'm a sales professional and currently residing in Chennai. I'm really skeptical about taking up these Milt online classes. But now that I've taken and completed the course, I'm really happy to have done this. This course taught me how to be a good listener, how to convince others, above all, value others' emotions and thoughts. I didn't know there are so many HR principles which we can implement on our day-to-day basis. I'm sure that if I start implementing at least few of them, I'll be a good, seasoned, civilized social being. And I'm sure that in coming days, I'll be a better person if I start implementing all this, and I will be able to give back to the society the best possible way. I'm thankful to Mr. Daniel for bringing the potential in me. I'm also thankful to the ATs and the fellow friends for giving the support and encouragement.
This is me, Devang Danak. By profession, I'm an MBA, and as I reside in Mumbai, I took the online session from Mumbai. Built Peak Performer Workshop was first led by the great Mr. Opresh Acharya and continued now by Daniel Jacob, supported by the assistant trainers, where all focus is on the behavioral aspects and behavioral training. The learnings which I availed from this program was to build a positive attitude towards the people, towards the work, building a self-confidence, and to become a motivated person and to face a large number of audience. So friends, as the leadership responsibilities, I would try to contribute towards the society by being a responsible citizen and to apply all those HR principles which I learned from this program into real life and to provide support to the people who are in need in their tough times and as a sense of humanity towards the society.